they want you to use either substitution, guys. Substitution is when you have an x equals or a y equals. We have an isolated variable. Or they want you to use elimination. This is when they are lined up. Terms lined up, and we're looking for opposites. Okay, so what I'm going to say is put a capital S if you're using substitution, capital E for elimination. So look at number 1. What method should we pick here?
Elimination.
All right, so I'm going to put a capital E here. All right. Let's just see if we can pick the right method first. On number 2, what do you think we should do there?
Substitution.
Yeah, substitution, because we have an x equals. So that means this 5y is going to get plugged in for x on the bottom. All right, on number 3 here, what do you think is the best method? It's the E, elimination. Yeah, the x's are lined up, y's, and the x's are opposite. What about on number 4?
Substitution.
Yep, capital S, substitution. This is what you did yesterday. Okay. And then on number 5, substitution again. We got a y equals. So now I got to plug that in the first top equation. And then our last one here, we should do elimination. Okay. So that's what we're working on, is using that method to solve. So since number 1 is elimination, which term gets eliminated? Yes, so they cancel, they're gone, that's a 0. Now you're going to have a total of 2 x's, because you add it up, equals 12. There we go. Divided by 2, x equals 6. Are we done? No, we got to plug it back in. I'm just going to go back to the original. So that's going to be 6 plus y equals 10, which means y is 4. Yep, 6, comma 4 is my answer. Put in your spiral. All right, it goes on the next page. So on number 2, we have substitution. So let's see if you can write correctly using substitution. So I'm substituting the 5y. Yep, 3 parentheses, 5y minus 4y equals 11. Yes. 15y minus 4y equals 11. Combine these like terms. 7y equals 11. Y equals 1. Yep. So we got to plug it back into to solve for x. The answer here, 5 comma 1. Because you're saying 5 times 1. All right, who should we eliminate on number 3? Yes, the x's are the ones that are opposite. We got a positive x and then a minus x. So when I add them, it's gone. We add everything else. Y equals 2. Yes, now we just got to plug it back in. Which equation do you want to plug back in? I would do A as well. So this would be x minus 3 parentheses 2 equals negative 13. So x minus 6 equals negative 13. We add the 6. X equals negative 7. So our answer, negative 7, comma 2. All right, we should be doing substitution on number 4. That's the best method. Let's see if you can use the parentheses correctly.
I got 3x plus 1. Parentheses x plus
3. 3x plus, and then you have x plus 3 equals 11. Yeah, and then you combine like terms here.
And I got 5 parentheses. I mean, comma 2.
Yeah, so wait, x is 2?
No, 2 being constant.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, right.
You mean the x is 8 or the x is 2?
Yeah, it's 8.
Yeah, but then solving it, yeah. That's he was, it goes in a smart, yeah. So we're gonna finish this by subtracting the 3. Finish and find your x and your y. On your substitution on 5, we should write x plus 3 parentheses 2x plus 1, close the parentheses, equals 31. You're going to need to distribute and then combine like terms. Mm-hmm. Yes. And then the last one, elimination. So I'm going to stamp check this. I'm going to stamp check it. Get it in your spiral. Yes, you get x equals 4. So your order pair was 4. Oh, sorry. We got to plug it back in to solve for our y. So y equals 2 parentheses 4 plus 1, which is 8 plus 1, which is 9. So we get 4 comma 9. And last one, we're doing elimination, and we should be eliminating the y. So if I add, these are gone, the y terms are gone, and you have 3x equals 12, which means your x is going to be 4, and we're going to plug it back in to get the y. All right, we'll check this. I'll stamp check it in class tomorrow.